Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up in basically about right now. There we go. So the market is officially open. I'm watching FVRR out of the gates here, Fiverr, which had an IPO yesterday. So let's see if this thing wants to make a move upwards. Also was watching ARQL. So we'll see if this thing wants to get moving or not. But for the time being, I will go ahead and pause and I'll keep you updated. I have an order at 41.75. This one's getting very jumpy, FVRR Fiverr. Okay, so I'm in and out there for $75. And I don't know how fast that was, literally a half second. So I'm now down at 41.25 for my next entry point. So there we go, 75 bucks, like I said, in literally fractions of a second. Let's see if it can work its way back down to 41.25. Okay, order at 42.25, again getting very jumpy. So again, I realize it's over $1 away, but for a second there, it was moving very quick. So in case I missed the entry point, at least it's documented. We'll see if it can work its way down there. All right, 41.55 entry point. Looking like it's got a chance. Okay, I'm in for my first allotment and out for another quick $75. And I need to make the next adjustment. Let's see, what is that? 40.25, 40. So let's go to 40.01. So 40.01, next first entry point. So again, 40.01, next first entry point. Excuse me, there's the break. Went down as low as, so getting close. Let's see, one as low as 40.43. So I was thinking about 40.25 or 40, but even if I would have done 40.25, still wouldn't have filled me. So let's see if it can work its way down there. Okay, and looking for the break of 40 here. That order at 39.55. Again, very, very jumpy. So if it looks like it's going to break 40, I'll get the video rolling again. Well, I'll keep it going. All right, back up there. And we'll see if we can capture the break of 40 and just see how quick. So there, it's going for it. Nope, stopped. So I need to go down to 38.75 now. So 38.75. So 38.75. All right. Friendly reminder, if you've never watched my other videos, I'm making some of these decisions based off things you do not see on the screen. I have multiple monitors. I don't say that to brag. I just say it to offer up context of where these are coming from. So 38.25 now, the next first entry point. Okay. 37.75 now. So let's see if it can work its way down to below 38. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 8.65 to go short, which it looked like it might pop up there. My stop loss will be at 8.77. Honestly, I was about to cancel it, but then all of a sudden this candle here happened and it's starting to show some signs of strength. Still a ways to go, but like I said, there's no doubt about it, showing some strength there. So again, 8.65 entry point. Stop loss will be at 877. So risking right around $70 here. So let's see if it can get up to 865. I might be wrong. Maybe this is the start of something much bigger. But if I am wrong, well then I'm just going to hop right out for my $60 loss and move on. So getting close. And then it just stopped. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out. And let's do this instead. Let's see, let's go 875 to go short. And then 881 stop loss. So, I mean, it's one of those things where it's either going to roll back over or I'm going to get out. So I'm in. So let's see what this thing wants to do. Like I said, if this is the start of something much bigger, then I just want out. I'll take my $30 wound and move on. But if this does want to roll back over, but things are not looking so good, are they? And out there for a $28 loss. So what I am going to do though now, let's see, it should be 895. So 895, going to flip things around and try going short up at that area. So we'll see if it can work its way up there, or it'll probably just roll over now after I get stopped out. Have you ever been there as a trader? Happens to everybody. Maybe just happened to me right here, but it is what it is. It comes with the territory. But we'll see if it can work its way up to 895. Okay, it's moving pretty quickly now. Have an order at 36.15. I didn't think I'd have any chance at this, but maybe I still don't, but it's looking a whole lot more possible than what it was. But yeah, this one definitely coming back to life again. So the key break right at this point is going to be the 36.50 mark. So let's see if it can get through 36.50. There's the break. Can it get down to 36.15 is the question. Hesitating too much. Just too much hesitation. How low did it go on that move? 36.26. So yeah, still just sitting right up above where I was, and I don't like that. I like more of cleaner type moves, not where it goes and then just stop slightly above. So definitely feeling good. I just needed to move it at this point. So I was wrong. 36.15 was not the right entry point. I was off by 10 cents, 15 cents. But I'm not going to give up on it yet. It's just no longer for the strategy makes sense to be getting in right up at that area. But we'll see if it can work its way down and break through 36. Order at 35.15 now. Got quite a bit of downwards momentum. Again, 35.15. Keep a close eye on it. Okay, it's moving. I did move my order down to 35.01. It stopped at 35.20 on that move down, so I was 5 cents off. But let's see if it can move down. I'd expect there to be quite a few buyers at 35. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, have an order out here for CHWY. IPO just opened up. Quite the mover here, but it may be leaving me in its dust. I don't want to chase it though. So there we are, in and out for $80 in a matter of seconds. Let's go to 37.25. So 37.25 on the pullback. You know, as exciting as it would be to just be buying up around the high right there, I want to let it pull back. But the nice thing was, you know, that small little loss been totally wiped away. Not that that was impressive, but that's the whole idea of controlled losses. You know, if you can trade in a way that doesn't require you to be a superhero to get those losses back, that's the idea. So, all right, we'll see if it can pull back. Have an order at 38.51. Deeper pullback here. We'll see if it can get down there. Missed the entry point out there. Sorry about that. Happened very, very quickly. 37.80 needs to be my next one, so double checking. And I say double checking because I've definitely put in bad orders before. But that one happened super fast, so I apologize for missing it, but I'll make sure to get this next entry point if it happens again. Next entry at 37.80. So I'll keep a very close eye on it. Okay, going for the break at 38. I'm at 37.51. So I'm going to err on the side of caution here just in case it really flushes down through. I made a promise I'm not going to miss the next entry point if it happens. Well, and then it's bounced off 38. I'll let it run here a little bit. Let's see. Can we get the break of 38? So far, no. I will pause. Okay, going for the break. There it is. Now it's a question of can it get down to 37.51? Oh, it just went down there and stopped. Fine, got to go to 37.01 now. So 37.01. Can it work its way down there? We'll see. All right, it's trying. And once again, see how it's just stopping right up above it? I don't like that. So let's go to 36.75. See if it can work its way down there or not. Once again, notice how it's just pausing right up above it. So go to 36.25. I want to see a quick flush down through 36.50. Looks like 36.60 is actually acting as support right now. Yeah, price doesn't even want to go below there. All right, I will pause. All right, going for the break. There it is. Again. I mean, you're seeing this, it just keeps stopping right up above my orders. Yes, you do sense some frustration in my voice. This is getting kind of annoying here. What was the low right there? Yeah, all right. Well, a good example. Sometimes, you know, that's just how it acts. The price comes down, and all of a sudden, right before your order, it just stops. And for my strategy, that's not what I want to see. So I'll keep an eye on it. Have an order at 36.80 here. I'm liking this little formation. So if it wants to pull back a little bit, right down around this area, I like that as a potential scalp area, but I don't like buying it up above 37 right now. But if it wants to drop back below, then yeah, I'd be interested. So let's see if this thing wants to drop back or not. Right now, they're looking nice off the hammer candle. Okay, I have an order at 35.01. I'm in for my first 500. Oh, come on. I have 69 shares left. Can it bounce up and at least give me all right, so like I said, 69 shares. And let's get some sort of bounce here. Let this. I'm not panicking or doing anything because again, it's 69 shares, so none of this is. I may even just pick up some more down here because this is getting pretty crazy at this point. So let me just pick up 100 down here. So now I have what, 169 shares. Put those out there at 39 or 34.75. So yes, I'm letting it run. Yes, you hear me typing. I got somewhat close, but then didn't take me out. So this one is starting to get somewhat annoying here. I mean, I just should not be that difficult to get out with 169 shares. Look at that. Am I out? Well, what's the deal here? Did I not put in 30? I thought I put that order out there. Well, it looks like I'm the moron here. Nice little hammer candle there formed. So there I am, all out. And wow, almost at 20 minutes. That's okay. I know some of you like these longer videos. So I don't know, maybe one more trade. I mean, it's already this long in, so hey, why not maybe try for one more? But we'll see what happens. Well, it's not looking like it's going to pull back, so I'm going to wrap this up. It's actually noon on a Friday when I did this video. So for 2.5 hours worth of quote-unquote work on a Friday for 340 bucks, I'll take it. It was a slow day today. Usually I'm not around until noon on a Friday doing trading, but like I said, I don't know. I guess my kids had swim lessons, so they're gone. I'm here. Nothing else really going on. So I guess that's why. I mean, why not? And so there we go. I'm losing trade, couple of winning trades. Moral of the story, keep those losses small, and that way when you need to fight back, you don't have to be a superhero to fight back. It was very unimpressive for me to wipe away a $28 loss, but when your wins need to be unimpressive to wipe away losses, you know that your losses are probably right where they need to be. Now, before I finally go, if you're still here, thank you very much. This is 20 minutes in, but if you enjoyed the video, click that like button. That's a great way to communicate to me that you do enjoy these videos. Also, if you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a live chat room and community with the newsletter and all that stuff I send out. Just go to claytrader.com. That is called the Inner Circle. And also, if you're interested in learning how to build a strategy for you with charts and all this sort of stuff, again, claytrader.com, I offer what's called the Trading Freedom Pathway Program, and check that out. But if nothing else, and you just enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you back next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.